Hello, Chef here. So I'm in one of the kitchens and I came across something unusual. I thought I might want to share that with you. You might find this interesting. I don't know. Working with these carrots. They're beautiful. These are really nice small carrots. I like them like this. These babies come from California, and I'm moving along and I got some beauties here. Like maybe 4 inches long. Really cool. And then I got this one. What do you think of that? A double connected baby carrot. Really cool. Looks like, yeah. So then I thought, what should I do with the carrot? And what I came up with was, because it looks so unusual, I thought I would walk it along my cutting board a little bit like this, and then probably make a wish. Okay, so here we go. Left is for me, right is for you. We're going to wish for amazing cooking, prosperity, and happiness. Okay, there you go. Yeah, it's a tie. Uh-huh. While I'm here, I thought I'd share with you some stew. The recipe for this stew is on the channel. Just search STEW and you'll find several of them. This is going to be really good. We're going to cook this at a low temperature for a couple of hours. And of course, this is all the essential herbs in there. And wow, that's going to be good. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Yeah. Have a great day.